Hello everyone, and welcome to week 4 of our Techability intro project. For this week, we're going to write a script to spawn coins for us when we actually start playing the game. In order to do that, we actually need to create a script for the first time. So in this video, we're going to talk about all the ways we can do that. So the easiest way, in my opinion, to create a script is to do so within the project window. So what we can do is go to the scripts folder, and since we're creating a new script, we're going to move into the created scripts folder. We can right click here, select the create option, and then go to C# script. Before I click on this, I do want to tell you, we want to make sure we don't click anywhere after we click on C# script, and we're about to talk about why. So when I click C# script, you'll see the script appears here, but we currently have a rename line open here. So we need to rename our script here immediately without clicking anywhere, because otherwise the process of generating the script will cause some issues for us. So we're going to rename this script to coin spawner and hit enter. And now you'll see if we click off and then click back onto that script there. Now we can see in our little script preview in the right, it updates our public class to change its name to coin spawner. If we were to create a C# script and accidentally click somewhere and initially name it new behavior script, which is the name Unity gives it by default, it's going to put new behavior script in this class declaration at the top. Even if I were to right click and rename this to something else, that name in the class still stays that way. So we would have to go into the script then to edit that. So we want to make sure that we don't click off of that and leave it as it is. The other way we can create a script, and I'm just going to delete mine, but if you chose to do this way, you can keep yours as it is. We can create a script directly from the object where we want to create the script. So no matter how you create the script, you are going to need to do this. We need to right click in our hierarchy and select create empty. And we're going to create an empty game object to hold our coin spawner. We can name this coin spawner with a capital C and a capital S. So the other option we have for adding a new script to our project is to hit add component and type in what we want our script to be named at the top here. So in this case, we'll say coin spawner. And you'll notice that nothing in our search bar comes up but new script. And if we click that, it'll automatically update the name to match what we typed in our search bar. And when we hit create and add, we'll suddenly see that coin spawner component appear. Now, one thing to note is that when you create a script this way, it puts it automatically in your assets folder rather in the scripts folder we want. In order for the Techability check setup button to give us credit, this coin spawner has to be in the correct folder, which is that created scripts folder. So we can then click and drag this onto the created scripts folder in this little side panel here. If you opted to create your script using the project window, all you need to do to add your component to your coin spawner game object is simply drag and drop it into the inspector. But keep in mind that no matter how you create your coin spawner script, you do need to have this coin spawner game object in your scene with the coin spawner component attached.